Hello everybody, I'm Ethan Marcus. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about white sneakers, and more specifically these white sneakers. One brand new and one that I've been using for around 2 years. So common projects are hand stitched in Italy, and they use Italian Nappa leather. These are their Achilles low model in white. If you guys are unfamiliar with a brand, Common Projects was founded in 2004 by two people, Peter Pupat and Flavio Girolami. So their whole brand design was focused on minimalism and, refined luxury in terms of building a sneaker. So you can really tell that the lines are very clean, and the silhouette of the sneaker that they made was very understated, classy, sleek, and simple. You see, the only forms of branding on this pair of sneakers are the numbers on the side. Signify the style, the color, and the size. So as you can see here, I'm a size 40, so it says 40. So I'll be showing you guys a couple clips that I put together with two outfits. In one outfit, I'll be wearing the 2-year-old pair, and in the other, I'll be wearing the brand new pair. Let's see if you guys can figure out which one's which. Styling Common Project, I think they're very easy. As I said, they're very refined and they have a very classic silhouette. Not many other shoe companies have a certain sleekness that Common Project have, especially because of how slim the toe box area and this middle part is. If you compare it to, say, Gucci, their shoes are very bulbous over here in the toe box. They're very chunky. On top of that, they have the screaming, obnoxious branding. If that's your thing, whatever floats your boat, man. But I prefer the understated, nice, classic, clean look of Common Project. I think these are the perfect blank canvas shoe, the perfect white sneaker you can get. Stan Smiths have the chunky soles and the perforated logo and the green at the back. And it's chunky as well. Common Project really have it down. You can dress this up, you can dress this down, you can wear it with a lot of colors, and in an outfit, you can wear it with 1 or 2 colors. These are really the most versatile pair of white sneakers you can get. That about wraps up the whole video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Ethan Marcus. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video if you liked it. I'm going to be making more content in the future, so drop down what you want in the comments, maybe suggestions or what you guys want to see.